DORIKA, the Revolution Panel. 6,000 square meter production hub is the flagship of Akifix Industry 4.0. It houses a fully automated line for the production of DORIKA, our revolutionary new access panel. We guarantee the high standard of manufacturing and performance you'd expect of a product made in Italy. The production line, about 20 meters long, is highly technological, with anthropomorphic robots, vision systems and assembly machinery to achieve quality without compromise. Not only quality, but also quantity. Automation can guarantee high production volumes of more than 1,200 hatches per day, so orders can be fulfilled in record time. DORIKA, implemented with state-of-the-art safety systems, is the only accident prevention access panel. The rounded corner pieces are highly ergonomic and avoid injuries. The powerful contour helps protect the click-clack opening system against accidental impact. Safety cables can be clipped into the corners. DORIKA is assembled without screws. Specifically, the aluminium frame is clipped on, while the hatch is glued to the frame. The absence of screws is exclusive to the click-clack mechanism. However, there is no risk of injury as they are protected and concealed in the housing. Product Plus – Double Safety System. The revolutionary giraffe system ensures safe and controlled opening of the hatch. The lateral hinge that supports the hatch and allows it to slide has a precise design and is carefully positioned on the aluminium profile rail as a further guarantee against accidental release when opening the hatch. Aluminium profiles 100% made in Italy. The 2mm thick aluminium profiles guarantee extreme quality and strength. They are also highly aesthetic with rounded edges. The aluminium profiles of the DORIKA access panel are 2 to 2.2 mm in thickness, twice that of other access panels on the market, which is 0.9 to 1.3 mm. This plus of the product, especially in large sizes, avoids deformation of the outer frame during fixing to plasterboard with screws. This type of defect can create problems of sizing between the hatch and frame during installation. While carrying out an inspection, the operator usually places his hands on the outer frame of the access panel to keep his balance. Downward stress is therefore put on the outer frame, making it buckle. This inevitably causes unsightly cracks and fissures in the previously applied grout, something that often happens in the case of large, oversized access panels. Thanks to the robustness of the frame of the DORIKA access panel, this problem is limited as much as possible during inspection. Laboratory tests show a bending load of 100 kilograms, as opposed to normal commercially available panels which cannot withstand a force greater than 50 kilograms. 100% plasterboard made in Italy. The plasterboard produced entirely in Italy makes for hatches that are always perfect and interchangeable with any external frame during assembly, thanks to the numerically controlled cutting of the aluminium profile. The glued plasterboard hatch does not require grouting of the screws at the edges. The glue used for the hatch was subjected to numerous thermal shock tests in Akifix labs to make it super strong. Corner pieces of innovative design and 100% made in Italy. The innovative corner brackets protect the click-clack opening system from accidental knocks and also prevent the fixing screws from protruding. The hatch can also be replaced in a few simple steps without making adjustments, as the screw seats and holes are already in the housing. The lowered click-clack mechanism saves 15% of space in storage. The corner clipping accessories in molded fiberglass-filled nylon are resistant to moisture in environments such as spas, swimming pools and outdoor environments. This means they do not suffer from corrosion, unlike the classic steel connecting elements used for other access panels currently found on the international market. Shark profile. The new and unique shark profile around the perimeter of the access panel prevents spinning during grouting. Salient features. Production of the DORIKA access panel with the automated line in sizes up to 120 by 120 centimeters. Available in 3 thicknesses of 13, 15, 25 millimeters. Available in natural and white aluminium with or without seal. Also available in a total white painting version, thanks to a state-of-the-art automated painting line made in Italy. Unique aesthetics and unprecedented ease of installation. DORIKA is patented by the highly specialized engineers of the Akifix R&D team, with a fully automated industrial production process developed in Italy. Installation steps. Take the box containing the hatches and cut out the template drawn on the back following the dotted line. Then put it in the area where the access panel is to be installed. Draw the perimeter of the template with a pencil. Starting from this, continue along the path indicated by the arrows with a pencil for 15 millimeters and mark the dimensions. Remove the template and then make the cutout in the plasterboard using a jigsaw with a drill bit, following the path drawn previously. Clean up the edges of the sheet, both internally and externally, with a file planer, smoothing any imperfections of the plasterboard. Take the outer frame of the access panel and position it correctly inside the recess, inserting it obliquely into the aforementioned hole. Hold the outer frame with one hand and start fixing it with screws at the points marked previously. Screws should only be inserted where you see the relevant symbol, as shown in the box. When done, place the safety caps on the screws. Begin by grouting the outer frame and then, when dry, sand down carefully. It is very important, both after grouting and painting, to thoroughly clean all aluminium profiles of any residue. Proceed with painting. Then insert the inner frame, taking care to position the giraffe correctly, following the instructions on the package. Italian technology, 100% Italian labor, 200% made in Akifix. DORIKA, the Revolution Panel.